Hello guys, welcome to another interesting tutorial. This is Ella Berries Africa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the very first time, you're only welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. So this is the tutorial on this sleeve, this trendy structured sleeve. So this is the one I made for a customer sometime in the festive period. If this is what you want, stay to the end. Thank you. So we move to today's tutorial. We are making a structured sleeve and we have been needing a tape, a marker, and scissors, our pattern paper, and of course our ruler. So we already went ahead to fold our pattern paper using the armhole, which is 16. Our required measurement is sleeve length 11, armhole, which is what, 16. So we went ahead to fold our fabric. To fold your pattern, you divide your armhole by 2. Our armhole is 16. I divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8 plus 1 inch equals 9. So that's what I use in folding my fabric like this. So we're having 9 here. So we're going to go ahead to mark our length. Our length is 11. So mark it out. So use a ruler to draw out the line. So now we're going to make the armhole curve. You can also use your armhole curve to make it. I have a detailed tutorial on how to make a sleeve. So if you are interested in that, you can check the description box. I'm going to leave the link there. So I'll just go ahead and just make my armhole curve. Make it to be steeper. Like this. Make it to be steeper. Very, very deep. So that by the time you measure it, it's going to be like more than half of your armhole. More than half of your armhole. So we're going to go ahead, measure what we have here, which is 9, measure it down to, and then we'll go ahead and cut it out so that we can form our structured sleeve. So this is it. So from here now, on one side of the sleeve, we are going to go ahead. We'll go ahead and on one side of the sleeve, we're just going to go ahead and measure half of what we have here, half of our armhole. We are taking half of our armhole, just like this, which is 8. You just add half inch to that, and then you join it to this point. You join it to this point like this. Just see the way to the end of this point. Join this point to this point with a curve, just like this. Okay? And then we cut it out. So with this we are done. So this is the front side, which is usually high, the front, and this is the back. So with this we are done with cutting out the pattern. We are going to go ahead to place it on our fabric and cut like this. You can see. So that's it. Cut. So we went ahead and cut this in two for the both sleeves, and we pinned it down to the fabric. Now we're going to cut it out. We cut it out. So go ahead, infuse this separately. After infusing it on the fabric, if you want to double it, if you want it to stand more, you can double it. After doubling it, then you turn it with our lining. You turn it to our lining fabric. I'm using this leftover fabric to turn it. Then we'll fix it To fix it on the sleeve, you make some pleats around the apex of the armhole, the sleeve mount, the sleeve. You make some pleats like this. You make some pleats like this. Hope you guys can see it. So you make some pleats. You make few pleats while fixing it on both sides. So that it will be like this. By the time you are done fixing it, it will look like this. Hope you guys can see it. So I'm going to go over to the machine and do it, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Cotton. So guys, to save time, we went ahead and turned our sleeves with lining. After turning into our lining, we also went ahead to fix it. You start fixing it. You measure from your armhole, where your armhole ended. You measure about, let's say, about 5 inches before you from the armhole before you start fixing it. Yes, then you also make your puff. If you want yours to be even more puffy, like the one I made for my client, all you need to do is to alter your cap, your sleeve a bit, make it even more steeper. You understand the way they make the puff sleeve, so that it can become even more puffy. So this is what we got. And for the beading, we'll start by inserting our loop belt from beneath, from the under part like this. We insert it from the under part first. After inserting it, you now put your beads. Pick your beads the way you want it, your desired bead. Like I'm picking 1 crystal, 3 silver, 1 crystal again, and 2 silvers. That's what I'm picking. Hope you can see it, guys. So from here, I'll just go ahead. I'll pick a finisher. I'll go ahead and also pick a finisher. Those very, very tiny beads, just like sand bead. That's what I'm using for my finishing. So I'm also going to insert it so I can stop it, a stopper. So I'll go like this. I will not go through that finisher again. I'll go through the bead like this. So you drag it all the way so that it becomes tight, but not too tight. So that it becomes tight, but not too tight. Right, guys? So we pass this into this. From that same hole, you pass it and bring it out so you can pick the next one. You pass it and bring it out so that you can pick the next one. So that was how we beaded all this. So we are supposed to bead it all the way down here like this, but I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm not doing it. I'm supposed to bead it all the way down. So I'm going to also bead this side too. I'm supposed to bead it all the way around like this, all the way around. So thank you, guys. So guys, if you have been watching me to this point, please don't forget to like and subscribe, as your subscription is very important for me in order for me to make more interesting videos like that, like this. So thank you for stopping by. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.